Who do you want to talk to? Jacob? And who else? Remember, you just said it a minute ago. No, that's right. Say, I just thought about them out of the blue and asked Mommy to talk to them. What? Noah, that's right. Do you miss them? Hey, do you miss Jacob and Noah?
Yes.
Yeah, me too.
I
You like Noah? Yeah, I like Noah too. You like Jacob?
like Jacob.
Yeah, I like Jacob too. Jacob?
Jacob.
Yeah. Yep, Becky likes Jacob too. Yeah, Becky likes Jacob too, that's right. Yeah, he does. So we're going to come see you real soon. Yeah. Bye, Jacob. Say, hey, Ran. Say, we miss you. So we'll see you real soon. Give her a kiss. You want to do it on that side? Oh, thank you. Okay. Now give her a kiss right here. Yay! Okay, now we're going to see Beckett. Say hey! You got your bottle? What are you doing? What you doing with your bottle? What you doing with your bottle, huh? Mwah! Mwah! Say hey, Ren. Hey, Jakey. Hey, Noe. We miss you. Yeah, Jake and Noah. Jake and Noah. No, they're not on here. They're not on here. We're sending them a video. So you're on the video. Mullet hair. Say, we miss you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
I love you.
Just like you.
Oh, yeah? Say, I love you.
Oh, yeah.